Good morning, children. Today I'm so happy because I met one of my best friend from Ongole. He is Mr. SivaKesava's, PV SivaKesava garu, and he is a great innovator. So his home is all about innovations. So he keep on doing. According to him, nothing is waste. He will create all innovations from every single waste part of the household uses. See, today he made a windmill with all marker pen and refills and then, every small things what he used and from car wheel. How interesting is this? Then according to me, he is the definition for innovation. So he innovates a lot of things. He tinker, basically he is a big tinker. So being I'm a regional mentor of change about innovations and tinkering. So today I came to Ongole, to find a lot of things like how good the tinkering takes place. Okay, so I'll make you understand, all about tinkering very soon because he is the one who made so far 4,000 different gadgets he innovated. See, everything he is trying to show me and he is explaining me how he made. And in fact, he is showing me some lamps and he is making all of this stuff, basically with used cell phone batteries, and then he is collecting lot many things. So according to him, nothing is waste. Everything he wanted to make it convert into some innovation. So many things. See, in fact, I'm finding words are less to discuss and describe all about his innovations. In fact, he is creating a lot of, thinking in a most innovative way. This is how I think children need to enjoy, how good you all can tinker the things. Okay, see how many toys he innovated from waste material. That is the beauty of his great thinking. See, he's keep on thinking in the mind. So how good I can make something. Like see, from some LED bulb, he removed some part. And also from some CFL bulb, he removed something. So I think this is how you all have to get inspiration. And then you see how beautifully he prepared this toy with all the waste materials and how interestingly it is inspiring. This particular toy rocket is really inspiring. So, yeah. In fact, I'm a bit emotional too because to see all his, I haven't met a person like him. See how many things he is tinkering and he is preparing. You see, and I think we all have to understand how he prepared. So that is how he just collect everything, and after that he'll think about them how you can make out as something. That is another way of joining together. Tinkering is that. Basically, all about tinkering is, you see, here another windmill is trying to show me. See, just with the mechanical force is turning that. Then automatically, that's basically a torch is using as a windmill. The pole and mixie. See, that's a mixie part, waste mixie part. Used it as a see how beautiful the tinkering, the quality of tinkering, the thinking. So now, sir, even after retirement, he is trying to do all this for you all children. So he is innovating basically, and with all his fashion, and is doing all this tinkering. Since how long he will be doing it, and how many things he will be collecting, and then you see how many things he is trying to pull out. And you see, he is just blowing some air on it. How beautiful is this? Okay, so he is making you all joyful, right? This is a toy. So he made it like this. Oh wow! See how beautiful is this, and so much joy. And I think this is how you all can raise tinkering. So tinkering is all about collecting a lot of various parts from various, waste materials. I mean, some spoiled toys or whatnot. So finally, again, rejoining them and preparing working models. to develop someone's idea. You see, he is preparing. It looks like something like a lighthouse. I don't know. I need to ask him, but looks like a lighthouse. Again, another windmill. My God. So he has 15. Yesterday it is, I think, World Wind Day. So on this World Wind Day, sir is explaining all about windmills, my dear children. Very interesting. Very interesting. It's really torchlight. See,
flower pot.
see, flower. See, tonic. Measurement. See how nice is this, right, children? Sir, what is that green one in the center of the blades?
Yeah. Jendu bomb with the motor.
Oh.
Top. Jendu bomb. It's a jendu bomb bottle.
Okay. Oh, that's a Jendu bomb bottle also. So make use of the Jendu bomb bottle also. Oh.
It's the cap of the jendu bomb bottle.
How beautiful is this, right? Okay.